Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the first, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Yazid Albela Karim, and now I'm a third semester student majoring in English department at Islamic State University of Said Ali Rahmatullah Tuluagung. The reason I made this video is to fulfill my final semester assignment, and the following is my learning experience in this semester in the digital technology in LD course. Okay, the first is learning experience. I have learned a lot through this course about how digital technology can help us simplify learning activities, especially in English class like me. For example, I discovered and learned about classroom management application that I find very useful in helping teachers connect not only with students but also with their parents. This inspired me to think ahead about how I can incorporate digital tools into my teaching methods in the future. And I have a simple plan in the future if I become English an English teacher. The first is using ClassDojo for classroom management. I will use the ClassDojo application to give additional points to students who actively participate in the class, such as by asking or answering questions. This app is not only engaging for students, but also helps foster a more dynamic and interactive learning environment. Additionally, it allows me to communicate with parents and update them on their child's progress. Okay. The second is incorporating Duolingo for independent practice. I will assign my student to use the Duolingo app for their language practice at home. To ensure progress, I will set a minimum target for the levels that must achieve every week. This app is fun, easy to use, and helps students practice vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation independently. And the last from my plan is creating a blended learning environment. Besides these two apps, I'm also considering introducing other tools in the future to create a blended learning environment. For example, I could use Quizlet for vocabulary practice, Padlet for collaborative writing tasks, or Google Classroom to manage assignment. These tools ensure that learning is not confined to the classroom but extends to student everyday lives. And how this course has influenced me. Before taking this course, I primarily view teaching as something limited to traditional tools like using pencils, books, and whiteboards. However, I now realize how powerful technology can be in making lessons more effective and engaging. Digital tools not only help teachers deliver content more creatively, but also cater to different learning styles, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. And I have a future aspiration if I become an English teacher. In the future, I aspire to continue exploring various educational applications to improve my teaching methods. By leveraging these tools, I believe I can make learning more enjoyable and accessible for my students. For instance, I make use to like Kahoot for quizzes or Canva to create visually appealing presentation and worksheets. In conclusion, this course has shown me the importance of integrating technology in education. As a teacher in modern era, it's essential to stay adaptable and utilize the available resources to meet the needs of today's students. This shift is not just about replacing paper and pencil, but about enhancing the learning experience through innovation and technology. Yes, I think that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.